Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jerry M. Aliat, and then today I will be discussing you about six components of digital literacy. So, learning outcomes. Learning outcomes is the first is we have the ability to define digital literacy. Second is demonstrating the importance of creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, citizenship, character, and communication in an online environment. And the third one is we have the applying knowledge of digital literacy in real world situations. So, what is digital literacy? Digital literacy is the ability to utilize, evaluate, find, create, and share content from digital resources. Why digital literacy is important? Digital literacy is important. It's because it teaches students how to engage with digital technology in cognitive and creative ways. It informs us of critical analysis and ethical use of the web. Digital literacy promotes safe online practices, and it also empowers students to thrive in a rapidly advancing technological environment in a responsible, social, and effective way. So, we have here are the six components of digital literacy. First is we have the creative, second collaboration, third is critical thinking, fourth is the citizenship, five the character, and the last one is the communication. So, talks about creativity. Creativity is having the skills to prepare, generate, and implement ideas that allows for self-expression. So in digital environment, this means that knowing which websites, apps, or social media platforms are appropriate and best suited for the content that you are creating or engaging with. Second is the collaboration. Talks about collaboration. It is taking a responsibility of your contributions to a social situation and encouraging effective group interaction by listening and active participating. So, sharing ideas online involves interacting people with people you may or you may not know. It is also important to know how to engage with people in a constructive, balanced, and a positive way. So the third one is the critical thinking. What is critical thinking is? Critical thinking is the ability to analyze complex topics and situations. It and to develop original ideas and opinions based on the evidence. So, problem solving is an aspect of critical thinking that enables students to discover multi-step solutions to shared problems. It also an online environment in an online environment, there are critical thinking skills that you can develop to understand, analyze, and to evaluate each content. The fourth one is the citizenship. So, citizenship, the awareness of your rights and responsibilities and how to engage with a global society. This also digital environment has no geopolitical boundaries. So it is a beneficial to have a holistic view of the world. Online, you can demonstrate intercultural awareness and also your understanding of global issues. The fifth one is we have the character. Character is the demonstrating resilience, perseverance, and the strength of purpose. Digital literacy includes your behavior during online interactions. Students also should know how to cultivate a positive online identity. Remember, what you post now will still be accessible for others to see in the future. And that is for the character. And the last one is we have the communication. Communication is that knowing the appropriate language and behaviors to use according to the context of your interaction. When online, your message can be viewed by a diverse crowd. You will be need different tools and methodologies to express your thoughts and views clearly and effectively to a global audience. And that is for the communication.